Wind Cave is located at Sarawak, which is approximately 45 minutes journey from Kuching town and 55 minutes from Unimas. Formation of cave can be explained through the biogeochemical cycle. First, the carbonic acid will contact with limestone and the minerals in the rock dissolve. Over a long time of period, it will lead to the formation of cavities and entire underground cave networks. There are some organisms which are available in the cave. There are bats, cave spiders, swiftlets, frogs, and ants at guano. Some observations can be seen in the cave. This is the slippery walkway along the cave, which is caused by the growth of algae. Normally, algae are grown on feces of bats, which is known as guano. Guano is a highly effective fertilizer with high content of nitrogen, phosphate, and potassium. Next, we proceed to the formation of stalactites and stalagmites. They are considered as speleothems, which is due to the deposition of minerals. Stalactites are grown down from the ceiling, while stalagmites are grown up from the cave floor. Large roots are seeking for moisture from the cave. That's why large roots sometimes come into the cave. However, there are no green plants found on the wall of the cave due to the physiographic factor, whereby the water from the limestone directly flows to the river instead of accumulating in the wall of cave. There are some limiting factors exist inside the cave. First is the food resources. The animals forced to go out the cave to looking for their food. Next, temperature also is one of the limiting factors in the cave. Bats are extremely temperature sensitive animals, which they will abandon a cave if they found the temperature undergoes changes even within 1 degree Celsius. Besides, the low intensity of light and low fertility of soil cause the green plants unable to grow inside the cave. Lastly, the low level of wind causes pollination cannot be done. There are some adaptations of the plants in order to survive in the cave. These plants include mosses, ferns, fungi, and algae. Algae use different metabolic pathways to produce their energy. After that, we continue to the adaptation of animals in the cave, which are bats. Bats use echolocation to search for their prey. Next, we move to the abiotic factors in the cave. First is the rock. The cave surface is made up of rock. Second is the water. Water causes erosion, which is lead to the formation of holes and major cracks in the cave surface for animals and plants. Besides, this also will cause the formation of stalagmites and stalactites. Furthermore, temperature, humidity, and soil also are the abiotic factors present in the cave. The ideal temperature and humidity creates optimum environment for the living organisms inside the cave. The soil is considered as one of the cave fields. Chemosynthesis by the chemotrophic bacteria converts clay minerals to energy. Ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about the biotic factors in the cave. These are some predations happen in the cave. Then, intraspecific competition of bats also happen in the cave, where they compete for the limited food resources. Bats and ants are the example of the commensalism in the cave. The feces of the bats, which is guano, provides habitat for the ants. In addition, the biotic and abiotic factors interact with each other. The temperature of cave has provided an optimum environment and all the physiological needs to bats for growth. Next, cave structures are able to create echo to prevent bats from hitting objects. Furthermore, bats are adapted to see in dim light. Low light intensity in the cave makes them more comfortable to stay. Finally, let's discuss the contributions of cave to us. Carbon dioxide from the cave is released into the atmosphere through chemical weathering cycle. The water leaches the minerals to the land and river. So, this comes to the end of our video. Thank you for your attention. We hope you enjoyed it.